Good morning, children. This is our English class. Today in English, we will do revision of what we have learned so far. So, children, today we will revise about a and an article. Children, as we all know that in English alphabet we have 26 letters, and out of 26 letters, letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and the rest of the letters are called consonants. Children, when we talk about a single naming word, for example, like name of a person, place, animal, or a thing, we either use the article a or an. In the previous class, we have learned that A's best friend is consonant. So the article A is specifically used to a naming word which starts with a consonant sound. And best friend is vowel. So the article an is used to a naming word which starts with a vowel sound. Children, look at the word. If it starts with a vowel sound, we will use an. And if it starts with a consonant sound, we will use a. Now, the first letter of egg is E. It's a vowel sound. So we'll use an egg. An egg. Next, banana. The first letter of banana is B. It is a consonant sound. So we'll use a banana. A banana. Next, tomato. The first letter of tomato is T. T is a consonant sound, so we'll use a tomato. A tomato. Now the last one, orange. The first letter of orange is O, so we'll use an orange. An orange. Now let's review what we have learned. We have the word strawberry, pear, elephant, umbrella, cake, apple, igloo, cat. Now children, let's try to do it. The first word, strawberry. Tell me which article we should use. Very good. A strawberry. The next word, pear. Tell me which article we should use. Very good. A pear. The next word, elephant. Tell me which article we should use. Should we use a elephant? No, that's wrong. We should use an elephant. The next word, umbrella. An umbrella. The next word, cake. A cake. Next word, apple. An apple. The next word, igloo. Tell me which article we should use. Very good. An igloo. The last word, cat. Now children, tell me which article we should use. That's right. A cat.